able to zap your card. But I know I like that it is so much easier for my little arthritic fingers to get my cards out of this. I'm just going to start throwing things over here. It'll just be easier. Okay, what else do I have? I'll go a little bit faster. Always keep face spray. Matter of fact, I could probably use some right now. This is Chanel's Hydra Beauty Essence Mist, and I absolutely love this. It is not cheap, y'all. I'm going to keep that away from that leather. That is the most fresh, refreshing smell. Why is this important? I keep this in my purse because what if I did not sleep well, or it's late, or whatever reason, and if I feel sleepy and I'm driving, I will either pull over and do this, or if I'm at a stoplight, I'll just stop, pull this out of my bag, and just spray my face to wake me up. One of the things I used to do was stop somewhere to eat, and that's just adding calories. This is much better, and it's also good for your skin. So always keep this or some other kind of a face spray. And I think I actually do have another one, because remember I just got that Tatcha one that's much smaller. But I always keep the Chanel one. It's my favorite. To be very transparent with you, it's $90-something. It's almost $100, but it lasts forever. It's just like a little and you're done. And it's, I mean, I don't even know how old that is. So at least they fill it well. The other thing is another spray, but this is for my hair. This is just a mini size brushable hairspray. I really prefer the non-brushable, the one that's like glue, which is, these are Paul Sebastian ones, and this is Shaper. I actually like Shaper Plus the best, but I get these from my local Walgreens. It's like even on an end cap, and honestly I just get whatever the lace one is of the ones I like. I have certain ones I like better, and Shaper Plus is my favorite. Gotta keep a hairbrush, and usually I'm so shocked. There is a rubber band, not rubber band, but the kind that has a material on it, hairband on it, that's usually right on the thing, the handle, just so I'll always have one of those if I would have pulled my hair back in a ponytail. But I pulled my hair back in a ponytail and left it downstairs, so that's why. But this is Redken, isn't it pretty with all the little glitter? Yep. Okay, always gotta have that. Probably could use it right now. I have two of these, and one of them is strictly for this time of year, and it is almost like a baby diaper, but it's not. I think it's just a muslin cloth, that you clean, you know, like after you put a cleanser on your face, like an oil cleanser on your face, like I did from that Colleen Rothschild, and also I think Tatcha, also that one is an oil. It's just an oil, and it just cleanses and everything, but you got to wipe it off and use a muslin cloth. You could use a wash rag. That's cotton. This is, you know, muslin cloth. So, yeah, this is the Colleen Rothschild one. It came with that set. So, but you know what I really carry this in my purse for? Is to have a nice, soft sweat cloth. It is so hot out sometimes that I will have sweat pouring on my face. I will have to just get this out and go and just blot myself because it is so hot. This is clean. I just got this out of, well, except for what I just did. But so it's always good to have that. Then separately, I have my daddy's handkerchiefs, and I just rewash them and put them right back in. Daddy had a drawer of these, and I almost threw them out to Goodwill, and then I thought, you better keep a few. I wish I'd kept a lot. I wish I'd kept at least 5, but I think I only kept 2, and I can't find the other one, so I'm constantly washing this one. For one thing, it's sentimental. I know it's just a handkerchief, but there's some days that I don't know if it's allergies, immunity, or what, but my nose just runs. It's not boogies, it's just it's running. And I just need to quickly dab it like that, and rather than get a whole, I do have, you know, paper tissues with me, but this is just, I don't know, maybe it's also feeling like Daddy's with me, I don't know. Alright, what else? I can't believe this wasn't first, but this is my cell phone. It is a 12 Pro Max, and I'll be keeping this for a while because I have a lot of cell phone covers, especially ever since I discovered both Casetify, but especially, Casetify is good, but Flaunt is so much better, and I have so many of them that I'm going to do a Flaunt phone case video review. What do y'all think? Comment below if you'd like to see that. But this is a really pretty one. It's kind of natural colors, just a little mod looking, and with that black streak, I just feel like it looks real pretty with this bag. So, I always, y'all know, I change my handbag, if not daily. Like, I'll keep this a few days because black goes with so much. But whatever bag I'm wearing, it gets a phone case that goes with it. It doesn't always have to match perfectly, but it has to go with it. Okay, why is, oh, I forgot I attached this. I might as well do it this way. This is just a Louis Vuitton pochette, and it actually came with a purse that had 3 on it. And this, first of all, I keep my little car key thing. This is a little case I got on Amazon for my car key that's black. This is cream with gold trim. I just thought that was so pretty. And you can put it on your key ring. I just leave it hooked. It's also got a hook on it. I hook it to this pouch just so I always have it. And why is that sticky? Stop. Okay. So what's in here? This is what I thought. Okay, this is kind of my new, it's not new, but it's my new carry-all pouch. Because I had another one that was bigger, and I thought, you don't need all that. Hone it down. So what do I hone it down to? I love these kind bars that are dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. It's 5 grams of sugar, which is kind of a lot, but not for a snack. And 6 grams of protein, and I don't know how many calories. But anyway, sometime it's low glycemic index. It says gluten-free, no GMO, dairy-free, no sugar, alcohols. That's unusual. Low sodium, 0 trans fat, high in fiber, and 59% nuts. So if you have nut allergies, not for you. I guess. Talk to your doctor. But because it also, I'm not getting comment on that. I was going to say sometimes it depends on whether they're refined, blah, blah, blah. I'm not a doctor. That's a serious thing that could cause people to have an anaphylactic, meaning it could cause you to swell up and die response. That's something, you take this to your doctor and say, can I have this? I can, and this is a good pick-me-up for if I've gone somewhere, I just had coffee, and then I get somewhere and I never had breakfast, didn't have lunch, I'm like, I feel kind of nauseated. That's not a good sign. That means you're getting low in sugar, and you need to eat something. So I always keep something like this in my purse. What is this? I always keep a pen. Currently, I have a pen my sister got me because I got her one, and she fell so in love with it that she went and found them. It's just a little gel pen, but it's got a very, very sharp point nib. And it's got a little doggy on it. So I love it. She loves it. We love it. Okay, so gotta have a pen. Also keep a Sharpie. I keep needing one. You know, because I'm so famous and I need to sign my autograph or my albums. And, you know, no. I actually did need one once when we went on a concert tour. Actually that one was for, we did worship for someone. And I did need to sign. People said, will you sign this? I'm like, and I always remind people, I'm just a person. You need to be excited about Jesus. But yeah. And then I thought, should I sign my signature? Because then could they copy it and do something? I'm so suspicious. Please. And so what I wrote was John 14:1. Jesus is God. And that's what I use this for when I am doing concerts. But that's been on hold for, not on hold. I don't know. Maybe I'll start doing them again. I do them for women's conferences and stuff like that. But I'm actually in a band again. It's just me, my husband, and a Grammy Award winning bass player. And we use tracks, and we were just doing some local places, and it's called These Three is the name of it. And it's just kind of songs from our era, kind of pop songs from our era. But no, it's going to probably want my autograph, but I just keep needing Sharpies. Maybe it's because I'm shipping so much stuff and I have to cross out my address. I don't know why, but I always need one, so I grabbed one. Also gum. My favorite gum is Pure. It has no aspartame in it. It does have some sugar. That's better for you than aspartame. And it's not that much sugar. So I get that, and I get it in the flavor peppermint, just because it's not as strong as like wintergreen or something. Because I want it minty. Here is one of my nail files. And this nail file is a diamond nail file. So it's super, super, super effective in helping you really break down the nail. So you got to be careful when you're shaping that you don't overshape. But also, I got this from a jeweler, Mucklows, and they put art pieces on it. So that is just, to me, it's really, really pretty. The art, it's like a piece of stained glass or something. It's like jewelry. But the main thing is, and I do keep it in this because, you know, your nails have dust. So I do keep it in this little sheath. I'm loving this tea. It's made by Thrive Farmers, and it is the Pyramid Sachet. That's the one that looks literally 3D like a pyramid, like silk. And it's the hibiscus berries. It's got blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry. And can I tell you, it says hibiscus originates from farmers in Aswan, Egypt. And it's just a herbal tea. And what it says it's more than herbal tea. It's cultivating good. It's giving relationships and business intentionality to farmers to get a true stake in the sale of their produce in such a volatile industry. It just makes sure they get their cut. There is no middleman with Thrive Farmers. It's direct sales to them, so that's good because they should get it. But anyway, I love this just with water. I don't add sugar, cream, nothing, just this and water. And today I did it as, somebody's talking about how they have it, they pay, $7 a cup for infused water, and I thought, that's just a tea bag, some ice and water. So I put this in water and, kind of left it in there instead of just steeping it like you do with hot tea, but you could do that too. And it made infused water. It was delicious. And I thought, I could get rid of coffee this way. So, love it. I'm going to keep that handy. Always got to have something to measure with. This is just a tape measure. That's pretty. This is a little tweed pink tape measure. You squeeze it and back it goes. I'm always, whether it's for picture frames or bust size or, will this fit on my table? I'm always needing one. And so I thought, you need to just carry that. Y'all saw this in a haul the other day. I always need this and a cord for my cell phone just in case I didn't charge enough in the car or whatever. I also always keep a makeup remover wipe, and normally this should be in my makeup pouch, so I'm going to put that in my makeup pouch. But it's just an individual packet of a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelette. It's a towelette. It's a single. And I do like having that because what if you messed up and you're just about to walk in, you check your face, and you're like, oh my gosh, there's a ton of mascara there. I've got a wipe right here with me. Thank goodness. Okay, what else do we have? This is a nail file. It's got a little tweezer, set of tweezers. Another little, just a emery board nail file. So if somebody says, do you have a file? You give them this and say, keep it. You don't share nail files. That's their skin cells, and no, we don't do that. So I always just keep one to give away. And then it also has